The Fićo Kup is not just a race. It's a story about people, about passion, and about a small car that has long outgrown its size. It all started 9 years ago with a simple idea to bring the Fićo back to life, especially in Skradinu, where the last race was held back in 1989. Back then, it started with just 13 cars. Today, that number has grown to 36 Fićos on the starting line in Skradinu alone, and 22 licensed drivers across the southern region on slalom tracks. Fićos may not be the fastest, but they carry the most soul. Here, results were never the most important thing. What matters most is the connection, the laughter, and that energy you simply can't measure with a stopwatch. This is a community that refused to let the Fićo disappear. Instead of fading into history, they brought it back to the road and to the track. They invest their time, their money, and their effort. They restore them, maintain them, refine them down to the smallest detail. And even today, new ones are still being built, some for racing, some purely for the love of it. The Fićo Kup is not just driving between cones. It's about preserving tradition. It's proof that some things never fade, as long as the right people keep them alive. The Fićo Kup is not the past. It's still alive in every turn of the wheel, in every smile, and in every person who refuses to let it be forgotten.